You've probably heard people say, go outside, touch grass, experience life, have fun, enjoy your life. But why haven't you been doing that? Why have you just been ignoring it and pretending like it isn't even a thing? Like it's not a sentence that can go together. Look, I'm going to be really honest with you because I wish I heard this 1 or 2 years ago, even a few months ago, but I feel like you're just kind of slacking. You know what you could be doing, but you're honestly making excuses. You're waiting for a completion in life and hoping that when this happens, if this happens, then I'll do it. But time or money never stopped the person who really wanted to do it, and never stopped me wanting to do it. Because if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just love sharing things with you because I wish I heard this 1 or 2 years ago. And if you love the vibe I'm in, consider subscribing because I post videos like these every single day for you to just think about your life. Because 1 or 2 years ago, I made so many excuses with my life, waited for summer break, waited for school to start, waited till, I get more confident, waited till I get more confident, but I didn't want to do the steps to get more confident. I never talked to girls because of that. I never put myself out there. I never had any real friends. And as soon as I started doing the things I knew I needed to do, going outside more, talking to people, going out with my friends, that's when I started to understand what I was actually lacking in my life. I wasn't really social and I was just kind of hiding it for so long. I just made so many excuses about that, and as a result, I was this weird person who didn't have anything going for them. I pretended to make money online and read a bunch of books, learn, be on some self-improvement things. But I wish I just didn't seclude myself from doing anything else in my life. And I'm telling you, as soon as I started realizing that I need to talk to more people and actually started to talk to more people, my life just felt amazing. I started doing way more things in my life. I filled my life up with experience, and then boom, I became more social. And as soon as I started doing that, wow, my life got better. It's so crazy how I focused on the thing that I was lacking the most, and then as soon as I started doing that more, I felt better about my life. Because I'm going to be honest, once again, I wanted that life of where I talked to all the girls and had the dream life, bunch of muscles, bunch of money, bunch of girls on my side. But I pretended like I didn't want that. I made excuses, and I just really hope you can think about if you're living to your potential, if you make excuses of what you do. Because some excuses are really hard to find. They might be reasons, but I feel like reasons are just excuses in fancy clothes. So you gotta see through all the materialistic things and all that stuff, and try realizing if something you're doing is holding you back, your belief about yourself, your excuse, your reason. Start thinking that reasons are the same thing as excuses, and start doing more things in your life. I've literally been biking around talking to you right now and just able to see this amazing place. So I hope you can think about this. Please understand that you might be making a bunch of excuses, and hopefully I don't sound mean or rude. I just wish I heard this because I was pretending like I didn't want to talk to anyone, but that was the thing I needed the most. And if you want to talk to people as well, join the Like-Minded Club in the description, where I'm in there, hundreds of other people in there, and we all want to get better. If you want me to coach you to stop doing bad habits, relapsing, playing video games, never talking to anyone, never going outside, click that link in the description as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Peace. Please listen to this. I love you, bro.
Look at that sunset, bro. Look how nice that is, bro.